Seductive Souls coming back at you. I got a pair of He Got Games 2008 release. They've been brought to me to unyellow the sole on these. As I always say, I don't know if you can see the yellowness through the camera, but they're pretty yellow. And I'm going to also defog those bubbles as well. Let's see the tag so you know there's some heat. 08. I don't know if you can read that. There you go. Still a little blurry, but like I said, the sole on these are yellow, so I'm gonna go ahead and ice these. Ice them up, get them back right. Ice white. So you can see it right there. So I'll be back with the finished product. Stay tuned. I'm back. Finished product on these 08 He Got Games. I unyellowed the midsole and also did a deep cleaning on them. As you can see, they're back icy white. Pretty good condition for being 08s as well. Slight to no creasing. Well taken care of. Also unfogged the bubble. Again, 08 He Got Games. Unyellowing, deep cleaning. Pretty good condition. But yeah, magic done once again. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.